Working accountants. Welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the data security control second method. That is second method for the data security. First one is Tally Vault password. The second one is username and password. This we are going to discuss today. So before entering into the topic, a request to you, everyone visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And then share this channel with others also. And another very, very important thing is everyone please visit every video till the end. If you skip in the middle, you will understand the topic or the subject up to that point only. The balance you cannot understand and you will not know. It will be less, just like half knowledge. So it is nothing but waste of time. There is no use of it. So watch the every video till the end and watch twice or thrice also, and also work out or practice the problems or examples given in the video many times so that you will get expert knowledge on the topic of every video. Okay, now we will enter into the topic. And also, after watching the video fully till the end, if the video is good, please like the video. If you like the video, YouTube people will share this video to many people so that many people can see this video and learn the topic. Now we will enter into the topic. So our topic is data security. So in the data security, I told you to provide the data security, there are two methods. First one is setting or creating the Tally Vault password. If you give the Tally Vault password, the data will be encrypted. So the name of the company will look with like stars only, and the period or the financial will not be shown. It will not be visible. Only the number of the company will be visible, and the name will be visible in the share in the form of stars only. So if you want to enter into that, you have to give the Tally Vault password, correct Tally Vault password. If you give, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 given. If you give the correct password, then only it will accept and it will open. Okay. And the second type is, it is called as control user access. That is to control the access by the other users. That is, except the accountant or the authorized person. So controlling the access by others. So others should not access the data. So if you for that purpose, we provide username and password. For Tally Vault only password. For control user access, we provide username and password. We have to provide. So if you provide the username and password, so that when we created means providing means you have to create, or it can be changed, or it can be deleted or removed also. So accept creating and removing is very okay. And for changing that, there are two. In the case of Tally Vault Pass, there is only password that can be changed or removed. That can be changed. But in this case, there is username and password. So you can change both username and password, or you can change any one of them, either only password or only username also. We can change and we can remove both also. So for this purpose, how to provide this? This is called the second method. In this case, if you provide the username and password, the company name will be visible, the number will be visible, the period also will be visible. But if we enter that, it will ask you the username and password. Then only we have to, then only if you give the correct username and password, then only we can enter into that. So, but the name and everything will be visible. So for this purpose, how to create the username and password, just like the Tally Vault password. So when the company is created, new company is created. So in that case, the username and password should be created or provided in the creation page only. And in the case of an existing company, it can be created in the Alt K company menu. In the company menu, we have to provide in the case of an existing company. And then alteration, that is changing and changing, and well as removing, that can be done either in the alter, that is the creation page will become alteration page. So in the Alt K company menu, select alter page, and in the alter page, you can do this work, or in the menu by selecting another option called security. So in this menu, that is company menu. Also, we can do in both the places, we can do, but in the case of tally vault password, only creation, new company, in the case of a new company, the password can be created in the creation page. In all the other cases, whether the existing company, creation, alteration, deletion, everything can be done only in the Alt K company menu. But in this case, in the Alt K company menu, we can do, or in the alteration page also, we can do alteration or deletion also. But creation, existing company, anywhere in both the places. But in the case of new company only, in the case of new company, only at the time of creation, in the creation page you can do. So now we will take up, we will create a company here. We will create a company. It is, so we'll create a company, just we will take X and Co. X and Co. We are creating. So X and, sorry, X and Co. So I am creating X and Co. X and Co. So we'll give the full address. I am giving only Hyderabad. Okay. And then come state, the state, Telangana. Then 5 lakhs 28, for example, I am giving. And here after that, that is financial year beginning from and books beginning from. After that, already we created the tally vault password. For that, in F12, we enable the use tally vault password. So once if we use enable a, that is, we activate a setting or activate a configure setting in the configuration F12 page. So that will be applicable to every company. You go and see the alteration page or the creation page. Any company, if you go, so in the alteration or creation page, the security, under the security, tally vault password will be shown. It will ask you yes or no. So, but in this case, we will keep it no, because this we are not concerned now. We are concerned about the other one. So make it no. And then another one is, this is the first one. So we create already here, we created here, we created. In this case, it will ask you the this one. Okay, it is asking. But in this case, so for X and Co, it is come. So X and Co. So X and Co, Hyderabad, then Telangana, 5 lakhs 28. Then here, you keep it here as it is no, because we are not creating here. In that case, we created. You keep it as it no. Okay, keep it no. And then the second one is, the second security type is creating the username and password. It is also called as control user access or user access control. So for that also, go to F12. This is tally vault password enabled. We activated. In the next one, use user access control. So user access control we have to use. So make it yes. Make it yes. Then it will ask you the second one, control user access to company data. Make it yes. So make it yes here. So new company, we will make it, we will do it here. And existing company, you have to do it in the set up this in Alt K menu, Alt K company menu. But after that, alteration, deletion, everything can be done either in this page by going to alter. I'll show you that later. So here we have to create. I am giving username as admin. So this admin username is not case sensitive. If you give the admin, say I'm giving lowercase. So when you are entering into the company, it will ask you the username. You can give the lowercase or you can give the uppercase also. If you give uppercase here, then you are entering into the company. You can give any lowercase or uppercase. It is not case sensitive. So come down, give the password twice. So I'm giving 1, 2, 3. I'm giving. So for that, what you call tally vault password, I gave 1, 2, 3, 4. In the other company, here is not given. I am giving 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's all. Okay. It is giving. See, forgetting your password. If you forget the password, will render your data inaccessible. You cannot. It will become inaccessible. You cannot access. Okay. Control A. Accepted. Now it will ask you the username password, because this is a new company. It will ask you the username password. So in this case, see here. Oh. So in this case, in the case of the first one, tally vault password, if you create a tally vault password, First, it will ask you the tally vault password. If you give it correctly, then it will ask you the username. So here I created admin. So now I am giving capital. I told you not cash sensitive. I am giving uppercase, but password you have to give as it is. I give numbers, no problem. You can use combination of numbers or combination of numbers and alphabets or simply alphabets, whatever you give. It will be case sensitive. But in the case of numbers, there is no lowercase, uppercase. I give 1, 2, 3. So it is done. So like this, we have to create. So in this case, see, in this case, we give only this. Go to alter page, go to alter page and see. This we have not enabled. This we enabled. So it will ask in this case of this company. So I am closing this company X and Co. Again, now I am going to log in. See, I am going to use this. Open this. Now it will ask you only the username password because tally vault password is not activated. So now I am giving admin lowercase 1, 2, 3. So the lowercase up, it is doing like. So in the case of an existing company, for example, Alt F3, if you go and see some existing company, see here, this is an existing company. No, this is an existing company. So that is why. So that will, okay, it is an existing company we will take up. In the case of an existing company, if you click already the tally, not this one, we'll take another one. That I will tell you later. So we'll take up Excel Enterprises. So the company is open. For this, how to set up. So in the case of new company, in the alteration page, that is creation page, in the creation page, we created this one. But in the case of this one, in the case of existing company, so we can create, so you can go to this place, select this, here it is activated. So it will be activated in every company. So here also it is showing, we can make it yes, and you can set up the tally vault, username and password for this company. So in the case of new company, you can do here only, first time. And in the case of existing company, so this is the existing company, you can go to this menu, K, Alt K, here also go down, select security. The same page, see how it is showing, how it is showing, this one, how it is showing. So like this, it will show there also. So here, if you go, so here, go to this, select this one, go to security. So it will show select the company. So it will show, there it is showing no. So it is also showing no, that's all. This is not like, this will show email ID for browser access. It will come, this option will be shown only when you do this work, when password username in Alt K company menu. If you do, this will be shown. We will take it as none. Okay, we make it yes. So for this also, see, I am giving tally. Tally, I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am giving 1, 2, sorry, otherwise I will take up another one. Tally, I am giving admin, so not admin. So for tally, I am giving 1, 2, 3. For that, I give 1, 2, 3. For admin, 1, 2, 3. This tally 1, 2, 3, 4. I am giving double time, 2 numbers. So this will be inaccessible if you forget the password. And in this case, your email ID it will show here. New user, you select as none. You select none here. Select none. That's all. Accept. So over. Okay. Now, if you see this is already open now, it is already open. We went to Alt K page, alter page. It's already open only, you can go. So now it will not ask you. So now I will show closing this. Now you go to this and select this one, Excel Enterprises. So if it's Excel Enterprises, it is asking username, password. So we give tally, make it, give uppercase also, tally. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, we give 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So we can create. See, in the case of an existing company, new company, with that in the company or creation page only, we have to select this. Already if it is given, it will be there. But we check this F12, go to this one, use user access, we have to make yes, then this option will be shown. Otherwise, see, and if you are already selected this one, this also will be shown. So if you make it no, so this option will not be shown. Okay, I'll keep it there. Now, here we made this, we completed this. The same thing we can do In the case of an existing company, so this is the existing company. This existing company, we can make the setting, that is, we can provide the username, password, you can set up here. Or in the case of an existing company, this is the company. Go to Alt K, company menu, go to this one, here also, select, here also, already we have set up. That is, we can set up here also. If we make it yes, it will ask you the username, password. We can, this one, you select always none. Okay, like this, creation of the username and password can be done in two places. In the case of an new company, only in the creation page. In the case of an existing company, in the case of an existing company, either in the alteration page, after creation, it will become alteration. On the alteration page, or in the in the company, Alt K company menu, go to security. There you can select this company and we can do 1 minute, please. 1 minute. So in this case, if you go to this one, either that is, you can create in the, if you want to create in the case of setup, so in the new case of new company, so in the creation page, this is the creation page, then you have to, and activate this access, control access, make it yes, then it will appear, you can make it yes and do that is one. This you can do here only in the case of a new company. In the case of an existing company, same thing, you can go to, this is company menu, this is the existing company. Company menu, alter page, and come to alter page. Here itself, you can enable the, activate in the user control access, F12. In F12, we can make it here. So you can set up the username password in the alteration page, or here in the secure, in the Alt K company menu, in the down last but two. So in the security, so select the company, and here itself also you can do the same thing. So in the case of an existing company, in both the places we can set up. In the case of a new company, only in the creation page you can set up. This is about creating the username and password for using the control user access, or user access, controlling the user access to the company data. That is, it will show that only. So if you go to F12, it will show that only. See here. Control user access to company data, to avoid, to control the users, other users to access the company data. Okay, this is done. And the next one is, so how to, this is creating. So in the case of Tally, whatever you create, that can be altered or changed, and also deleted or removed. That can be done. Many people say they don't know about this creation, they know, and very simple, then creation, that is deletion, that is removal. It is okay. But in the case of alteration, many people don't know about this. Mostly, see here, simply they will change the password. So only password, or only username, or both username and password, both can be changed. So first of all, you'll take up now alteration or change in any case. So in this case, so the next work, alteration or deletion, alteration, that is changing, or deletion or removing, both can be done either in this alteration page. Here you can do, otherwise here you can go to Alt K company menu, go to the security feature, and here select the company, here select this company, and here also you can do the same one. So alteration can be alteration, that is changing or removing, both can be done in either of the places. Creation, new company in the creation page, existing company in creation page, or Alt K company menu. But others can be done in both the places. Okay, existing company. And now how to make the change. So what I do is, here I will take up one company, and in each where first of all you will take up the X and Co. So in this case, how to change? So change can, here I am changing, here I am changing in the alteration page. So this is X and Co. How to make the changes in the alteration page, and how to make changes in the company menu, FK company, Alt K FK also. Here is simply what you do is, here it is yes. So here there is admin, that is username and password. admin, and password is 123. So you want to change only password or only password or only the username, anyone. Then what you do is here go to the user, go to username, or I'll do one thing. Otherwise, go to password, only password, enter. So here, the only password. Here, you give the new password. For example, we given 123. Now 12345 we will do. So now it will ask you, that is the password. Okay, password here in this case, password means new password. Existing or old password means here old password. Simple password means new password. So we are given the new password. Confirm. Give again 12345. So this one, if you are forgetting the password, will render. That is okay. And then go to the old password. What is that? 123 only. Only 123. Now accept. Accept. Okay. It is accepted because the company is open. That is why it is not. It is not asking that one. Now close it. Now you come to this company, CX and Co. So now the company see asking this one. So admin username is not changed, but password, old password is 123. It is not taking. Change it to 12345. So change it. So like this, we can change only the password, only the password. So in this case, in the alteration page, I am taking. In the alteration page, I did this in the alteration page. Now here, now we changed only the password. Now we will change only the username. No password is not changed. So go to username, give it the new password, new username, tally. Then it will ask you again the your password and the confirm password. That is the new password. It will ask you, old password it will ask. Now we are not changed. See, new password, if you give, the password also will change. Password will change. But here we are not changing the password, only username. So username is changed. Now password, new password, old password, everything is same, not changing. Give the same password, 12345. This is the new password. It's not changing. And old password is also the same thing. This is the same password, existing password. So for password, that is the new password, and old password, both are same because we're not changing. So I accept this, accept. Now come down and close this one. Now if you go, see here, again, we go to, sorry, not this one. So if Alt F3, if you select this one, now it will, what is the username? Old one was, old one, first of all, admin 123. We changed it 123 to 12345. Okay, admin was there. Now we changed it, password 1234 is there, but username we change it to tally. Tally. So 12345. We change it to 1234. Okay. Understand how you got it? How you got? Say here, sir. Here. Alt F3. Select this one. So here, what we did. So only previously admin was there, 123 password. So only admin password is changed to 12345. Admin was there. So in the previous case, we entered to that one. How? Admin and 12345. Now 12345 is not changed. Only username is changed to tally. This is not changed. 12345. So it is accepted. Like this, only the password we can change. We can give the new password twice and give the old password and accept. That is changing the only password. If you want to change only username, change the username, then new password twice and old password. All password is not changed. Old password itself will continue. So all the three places, three passwords, you give the same existing password only without change. Then password will be as it is and username will be changed. So changing any one of them. Suppose you will go to this one now. Now, in this case, we did it here. That is in the alteration page we did now. For this company, we did it in the alteration page. Now for this company, we will make it, we will not make the alteration page. We'll go to this page. So security. So name of the company is Excel Enterprises. Select this one. Now here, changing both. Here you take, for example, first only user password changed. That we did. Only username changed. Okay, we did. Now both username and password, both we are doing. So in this case, generally, if you open this, it will be in this field. The cursor will be in the email ID, then backspace, backspace, backspace. Here. Now here we are changing username, password, both we are changing. For example, tally, we will change it to old name. Again, old. That is admin. So change to old username, password also old, the first one, 123. So this is 123, 123. That means this is the new password you are giving. So change it to new username, change it to new password. And the old means existing password is 12345. So if you do this, and here the old password I have entered is correct. Yeah. Oh, this one we have not changed. In this case, tally. No, this is not changed. Actually, in this case, we change it through, we made it tally, we'll make it to admin 12345, 12345, then 1234. Accept. Okay, gone. So here, both username and password changed. See here, go to this and sorry here. You can see either in this page or in this page. So here, so that is changed to old password one, admin 12345 1235. That is that password, existing password, and existing password is 12345 and 1234. We changed it just to check up again once again. Like this, we can change both things. I will do one thing. We can change both again. So both we change. So tally 1, 2, not necessary. Okay, don't forget. Okay, just check up this one. So like this, we change it. First, we change only password. Okay, then we changed only username. So in the alteration page, in the Alt K company menu in the security, we changed both username and password. Both username and password we changed. So both username and password we changed. Okay, now both username and password. Sorry, this is from tally to admin we changed. Okay, right. So this is the thing. So first of all, creating, then alteration. This alteration is three types. Only username, altering username, only password changing, or username and password both changing. Now the third one is completely. So we don't want the, we suppose there is a problem, we may not forget, then we cannot access the data. We can also not cannot access. That is why if you want to remove just like that one, just like the what you call a tally vault password. If you want to remove, this also can be done. See here, go to any company. In both the companies, go to this place, go to alter, and this is the company, select here. So in the alteration page, we can do the work. That is, we can delete or remove the username, both username and password, and here, anything. And also here, go to company, that is Alt K company menu, go to security, select this one in this case also. So both in the alteration page as well in the company menu, under security button, we can remove that. This is very, very simple. So first of all, this one I will do here. Go to the alteration page, select this company. Here, it is very simple. It is very simple how to complete delete. Simply control access to the company data made yes, na. Now make it no. That's all. Make it no. That's all. Give the password 12345. Give the password 12345. Okay. Now you see this one. You close this one. X and Co company, X and company. Now Alt F3. Select F1 Co. See the company F and Co selected. So it is accepting. It is accessing because the both username and password completely. We remove the username and password. That means we remove the control user access. That is removed. So it is directly opening. And also the same thing here also. Go to here. We did it in the company menu. Okay. Now, where you did it? So we did in the company. We'll do it now in the security menu. So here also we can do. I told you now. You can do here. That's already done. So now for this company, we select here. Go to alter page. So go to alter page. Here also we can do. So this one, oh, sorry. We did it in the order page, na? So now we will do it in the company menu. So select this page, company menu, select security and select this company. And the same thing you can do here. Here what we will do is, so here, it will be here. So up, go to this place. So we did here or there. I think we did it there. That is here only, here only we did for this company. We did this for this company, we do it here. So here, select this company, anything, both are same. So just click this, make it no. And 1, 2, 3. So your password is wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is deleted. Now close this company, close this company, close this company also. See here, this company, see, it is completely, it is accessing. So no user, it is not asking username password. It is also logging. No password is asked. So like this is about the second type of security, but the names, and all the details of the company, name, number, period, everything will be visible. But if you want to enter into that, it will ask you the username, password, if it is set up. Okay, this is about the second type of control user. Okay, so with this, I close this topic, and in the next video, relating to this only, no one will cover this topic, and also you cannot find videos also on the internet. So regarding this is a new type, the same thing, user access, that is logging into that as the username and password. So in this username and password, second type of user control user access. In this case, there is another special type of login, that is you are accessing the data in a special way. Okay, that is not covered anywhere, but one I think mostly we cannot find any video on this, so that I will cover in the next video. Okay, so with this I am closing. All the best. Bye. We'll meet in the next video.